good afternoon, welcome back.
Hola!
Today we've got this mystery box 2-in-1 from Magical Day Apparel. Check them out on Instagram, and they've got a website.
So 6
t-shirts, 3 large, 3 small, if you didn't already guess. Right, let's see what the first one is.
Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so the first one I believe is for me.
It looks like your size, yeah.
This is a Pocahontas design. Let's get it here. So you can see it's like a pocket t-shirt.
Don't drip it in your tea.
No, it is not.
I think I've got to peek out.
What do you think? I like
Yeah,
the
it's very
color.
nice. I like the colour a lot. I do like these pocket tees. I think they're really good.
Looks like really, really colourful.
Yeah.
I really like it.
I can see this next one already. This is exciting. I think it's again
Is that
for
mine?
you, that one, yeah.
Is it mine? Yes. So that is Figment.
The man, the legend. Dragon or dinosaur, I'm not sure. We've been
Dragon, I will
discussing
say.
this.
I will say dragon. I will go for dragon. I really like that one.
It's another good colour as well.
Yeah.
It's very nice. I've just had a sneaky look, and the next one is also your size. So
Yeah, I think they come like the first one are mine. So which one is that one? The castle.
Oh, nice.
Castle
fireworks.
So that's the castle. I like they're like different color because most of my t-shirt are normally black, but like I didn't want it all in black, but now it's like good because I got like different ones.
That colour sets it off really well though with the black. I think that's really nice.
That's really cool. Yeah, it's like at night with the fireworks.
My turn now. Let's see what's left in here. Oh wow, my favourite. Well, yeah, probably my favourite.
Yeah, I think it's our favorite.
Actually.
Like from both Florida and also from France.
I'm sure you will recognise that face from the Haunted Mansion. Again, it's not a colour that I wear very often, which I appreciate because all of my t-shirts are grey. So it's very nice to have something a bit different.
Yeah, it's cool. It's like a purple, like a dark purple, which actually goes with the ride.
It does. Yeah, okay, I'll just let you put that on the pile so that we can keep them neat. What else have we got in here? To continue the theme.
Good that you like it.
It is a good job.
Did you tell them it's your
No, I
favorite?
didn't. It's definitely a mystery box. Bit of a treat
Ooh,
in this one.
I didn't know that. It's also in the back.
We've got the little embroidered bit there, Foolish Mortals, which I think you can see there. But then also on the back, bit of a Spirit Jersey vibe going on, albeit in a t-shirt. But again, like that a lot. That's great. That's a really cool t-shirt. And last, but by no means least, in the mystery box it's my favourite colour. It is grey. It is let's have a look. Oh wow, a Magical Day t-shirt. Really like that. Really like that, because let's be honest, any day in Disney is almost certainly going to be a magical day. So let me put that there as well. Fantastic, really appreciate that. Genuinely, 6 great t-shirts and well worth the money, I think.
Yes, very nice. I think we got a lot of t-shirts now.
We've got a lot of options now. Yeah, so have a look. So they're on Instagram and they've got a shop as well. Magical Day Apparel. That's all from us for today, guys. You take care and we'll see you around.